Hey folks, welcome to our cyber series of ATtiny85, and today we are going to study about how to install ATtiny85 drivers. Before proceeding to the tutorial, I want you to know some important facts about purchasing ATtiny85. This is ATtiny85 USB version. It comes with the Digistump Bootloader as default, but not all the times. Different manufacturers design it for many different purposes. Sometimes you will get a blank ATtiny85 USB version. Do you know how to identify that it's not having any bootloader inside? Simple. Connect your device to your computer. If it's not showing any device detected sound, or go to your device manager and check for any unknown device detected or not. If your computer stays still and show you nothing, then you are in trouble. You bought a blank ATtiny85. Holy shit, what to do now? Don't worry, Ghost got your back. I have attached all the necessary files for you in my GitHub page. All you need is buy an AVI programmer. Being an electronic freak, you should have all kind of programmers with you. It's your choice. Connect your blank chip with your programmer, and using my software you can simply flash it. The bootloader file is also freely available in here with you. It's that simple. Don't think too much about this. Everything is simple here. Now I want to tell about this ATtiny85 USB version. Does it look like it's more complicated? No. You see, this is the ATtiny85 chip, and this one is the voltage regulator. It is even bigger than the ATtiny85, right? Actually, it regulates up to 25 volt DC into 5 volt DC, where your ATtiny85 runs only in 5 volt. It's just a protection, and additionally this device is made for field purpose like heavy electronics. So now it's time to move into our tutorial. Let's get started. First of all, in this description I have given my GitHub page, and through that link you can get to my ATtiny library page. This is my ATtiny driver utility page, and in here you can see the detailed description how to install the driver. Go to the code and you can download as zip. There you can download it and you can move it anywhere you want. I'm moving it into my desktop and I have to extract it. Extraction completed. Now you can see there are several files here. As I mentioned before, if you are having a blank, so you can go for my Digistump Bootloader. So that is a burner. After your connection is completed, you can simply run it as an administrator. There you have the software. By pressing enter, you can flash your bootloader inside. So if you have any doubt, you can come at me. Let's go to driver installation. That is a driver installation folder. I'm using 64-bit operating system, so I'm installing DPin64. Click next. There you go, it's done. Now go to your device manager and plug in the device. There you go, I have plugged the device and you can see Digistump Bootloader, it's displayed. Now let's go to Arduino software. Under the Arduino software, you have to go to the File, Preferences. There you go, you can see the board manager URL. The URL is mentioned there in my description. Copy and paste. There are no any paste options or Ctrl V. There you go, press OK. Now go to Tools, Boards Manager. It will take some time to download the index files. Yeah, it's finished. Now search for Digistump. There you go, the first option, Digistump AVI boards. Install it. It will take some time. Done. Now close that. Now go to the tools again, go to board, and you can see the AVR boards. Select the DigiSpark default 16.5 MHz. There you go, all done. Now go to the open menu, go to your downloaded location. There it is, and there's a test example file. Open that. That will turn on and off the LED for 100 millisecond time. So important, you have to plug in the device after it shows only. Do not plug in the device earlier. See, you can see the plug-in device now. Now you have to plug it in. Boom, all done. Now the code is uploaded and the ATtiny inbuilt LEDs blinking now with 100 millisecond delay. That's exactly what it's doing in my example. So if you see this, that means you have all done and all set up. Stay tuned for the next video.
Terminating session in 3, 2, 1.